This is a 2008 Mazda CX7 2.3 liters engine, and we are going to replace the bulb cover gasket. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's start with the cover. So fastener, move this. Alright, just put it in here. Right, number 12. Here. What else? Over here. You know what? Let's remove this first, this cover. Oh yeah, over here, and we could remove those 2 bolts at the back. We need something flexible. All right, that's the one at the back. Number 12. So you're using this. Okay, number. Now we need to remove a couple of clamp. Okay, so let's continue. So we're using Phillips screw. Alright, then this one too, right here. There's also one over here. Hope you could see it. It's kind of oopsie. I hope you could see that. Anyway, somewhere there. We're using this ratcheting Phillips. Okay, remove it. I think we need to remove this too. Okay. Oh, come on. Oops, there's one more over there. One more hose. You know what? I'm just gonna remove the whole thing. This one. remove that. It's way faster. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I gotta move it. Alright. There you go. Nice. All right. Perfect. So now we do have an access to the bulb cover. Okay, let's just remove all the connection. Let's connect this bulb cover. Okay. This one too. Wow. Nice. Okay. Nice. It's all clear. Okay, we need to remove also ignition coil. This time we're using number 8. Ignition coil. Let's move it. There. Perfect. Now we can remove the bulb cover. So also we're using number 8. Alright, so just loosen all the 8mm bolt around the bulb cover. It's right there. I don't know how many, but basically just loosen them all, make sure everything is loose. So now we can pry the bulb cover. See that? Remove it. Perfect. That's it. Now let's clean first. this side, the engine side, before the valve cover itself, using brake cleaner in here, and just wipe it. Where the gasket sit, so just wipe it. Let's clean it nicely. Right, now it's the bulb cover side. Oh, let's remove this gasket. Oh my god, it's already brittle. Perfect. One in the middle. Let's remove all the bolts. Let's clean it. There we go. Let's clean this. That. Now it's clean and dry. We can install now this gasket, back and ankling. So nothing special with this, just like that. And this one should be over here. So it's a one-way. You will never put it on the wrong way, because this is one way, or only one direction gasket. There we go. Nice. Before we put the bulb cover gasket, we put a little sealant right there on the corner, on that curve, also on that separation between the timing belt cover and then this bulb head. Alright, so let's put it on. Okay, let's put it on. There you go. Perfect. That's it. Nice. You'll also clean all the bolts. Now let's just put it on. They are all of the same sizes. Alright, let's tighten it. So the way I tighten it is, I started from the middle, like going like this, going outside. everything is back except of course the one on the top, and that's it. I'm not gonna show you anymore how to put that thing, so it's only like few bolts. That's only the cover and that thing. What's this? Air cooler or something? Few bolts. Alright, so there you go.